Me and my brother, AJ.
Damn, dude. She's so bright and shit, man.
Yep. This shit bright as fuck.
Fuck.
Hot fuck.
Nigga, take it.
Oh, damn it! See, like you dropping out 3 deuces.
Fucking 3-ounce turds and crap, man.
You can't French inhale?
Yeah, I do it with blacks. I don't do it with cigarettes, man. Nah. Freaking burns my nose.
Mm-hmm.
Can't be doing that.
Blew ashes on me.
You blew ashes on me.
We're in the Chevrolet.
Alright, Chevrolet.
We don't fuck with Fords.
This is my truck.
Well,
we don't do Ford. Well, Fords are alright, but
They're
Chevrolets
okay.
are better.
They last longer.
Yeah, Chevrolets are awesome, man.
Fucking cool.
White guy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shut up, man.
Mom and Dad ain't gonna wake up anyway. Just express your feelings. You can scream it out.
You can scream it out.
Yeah.
Alright, that's enough screaming. Hey, Dad could wake up though. Mom can't, but Dad could. Oh, you get all mad. You shut the fuck up. Get the fuck in the house.
Shut up, Max.
Hey, you, hey, be quiet. Be quiet. Alright, don't listen to me, you little fucker.
I need a new radio. Clip it right here.
I'm getting everything new in this bitch, dude. I'm getting a steering wheel, new gauges, whatever,
Gauges.
new radio, a new AC system, fucking over there.
Dude, I did the same thing in my
I'm gonna
dad's
keep the
truck.
sheet though. I like the sheet.
I did the same thing and I almost broke my dad.
I like the sheet.